Please do subscribe and tap on the bell icon for new notifications.
Welcome back to Srujana and me. Again I have come up with mom and daughter outfits. Already I had shared 2 outfits with drafting, cutting and stitching. Links are in the description or you can check it out in the channel. Today I am going to share kids outfit. This frock I have stitched for 4 to 5 years old kid. This is one of the most beautiful long frock with yoke pattern. Soon I am going to upload mom's dress. Now let's go in detail how I stitched this long frock. To stitch this frock, totally I used 4 different fabrics. Green color fabric has taken 1 meter, pink netted fabric 2 meters, pink satin fabric 2 meters, pink lining 1 meter, can 1 meter. And these are the frock measurements. First we will see drafting, cutting and stitching of bottom part. Here bottom part is totally with 5 layers. First I will take pink satin cloth with 1 fold with 2 layers. Now I will fold it like this, like a triangle. Now here fabric is with 2 folds with 4 layers. These are the close and open side of the fabric. Now at the corner I will mark waist measurement. Here my waist measurement is 6 inches including seam allowance. So I am marking at 6 inches where exactly it comes. Now from this marked point towards down I will take bottom part length. Here my bottom part length is 25 inches. 1 inch for seam allowance. So total it will come 26 inches. So from this marked point towards down I will mark it 26 inches. Now from this bottom part marked point towards to the upside, that is to the corner point, I will measure the length. Here it is coming 31 inches. So with this 31 inches I will fix one end of the tape at the corner and I will rotate the other end with 31 inches and I will give markings. In this way, after giving markings, now I will trim on these marked lines. Now the same measurements I will transform to the pink netted fabric by placing pink satin fabric onto this netted fabric. Now we'll see lining. As it is lining, so I am taking 3 inches less to the original length of the fabric. Rest and all as it is same I will transform by placing satin fabric onto this lining. It's a lining, so if there is any attachment also it's not visible. So I am going to adjust with this 1 meter. If you want you can take 2 meters. Now I will trim can with the same measurements by placing lining onto the can. Here can is also not visible, so I am adjusting with this 1 meter. If you want you can take 2 meters. In this way, after trimming all these 4 fabrics, I concealed its side with 1 inch seam allowance and get it ready like this. Now I will insert satin layer into netted layer like this and I will attach both these fabrics at the waist part. In the same way I will insert lining into the can like this and I will attach both these fabrics at the waist part. After giving stitch at the waist part, now I will insert this can lining into this main fabric like this and again I will give stitch around the waist part. Here can is too thick, it's very difficult to handle all the 4 layers at a time. So I stitch separately with two layers and inserting one into another. In this way, after attaching all 4 layers, finally I am going to attach top layer with this green color fabric. Here this green color fabric I am taking as 17 inches length after one fold with 2 layers. Rest of the fabric I will use it for bodies. Here, to bring different look to this frock, to this top layer, one end with 17 inches, center at 13 inches, other end with 10 inches, I am giving markings. Now I will connect these 3 points and I will trim this fabric. In this way, after trimming this fabric, according to the waist round with the small pleats, I will stitch this fabric and also I will conceal its sides. In this way, after stitching this top layer, now I will insert all the 4 layers into this top layer and I will join this top layer to the other layers at the waist part. In this way, bottom part is completed. Now we will see bodice drafting, cutting and stitching. Here total length of body should be 10 inches. Here pink color fabric I am taking as yoke part with 5 inches length including seam allowance. To the rest of the length I am using this green color fabric with 7 inch length including seam allowance. In this way, after folding these 2 fabrics with 2 folds with 4 layers, now I will place one on another like this and I will secure with pin so that fabrics will not move. Now I will start marking from the close side. Here I am taking neck width as 1.75 inches, neck deep as 3.5 inches. Here I am taking round shape neck, so I am drawing curve like this. Now shoulder as 2 inches, armhole as 4.5 inches. Back neck deep as 2.5 inches and I will give curve like this. In this way markings are completed. Now I will trim on this marked lines. Now we will see stitching. First I will attach this green color fabrics to the lining. Once this is done, I will attach yoke to this green color fabric on placing both the centers one on another. In this way, after attaching yoke, now I will attach shoulders by placing both the panels one on another like this. In this way, after attaching shoulders, now I will conceal this armhole with bash strip. To stitch this strip, first I will place this strip at the back side of the bodice around the armhole like this and I will give stitch. After giving stitch, now around the armhole I will give slight notches. In this way, after giving notches, now I will turn this strip to the right side with one fold like this and I will give stitch here. In the same way I had done other side also. Now I will conceal its sides with 1 inch seaming allowance. To attach zip at back side, from the center, I attach bodice and bottom part back sides with 3 inches. Afterwards, I attached zip at the back side of the frock. I will explain in detail how to attach zip to frock in separate video. To this frock, I attached long zip till up to hip, so it will be very comfortable for kids to wear. Now I will attach bodice and bottom part by placing both the fabrics right side and giving stitch towards to the wrong side. Finally, I will stick this kundan patch here and I will give invisible stitch with normal needle. And also I am going to stick some more kundans here with fabric glue. After sticking kundans, final output of the frock will be like this. It looks very pretty on your little princess. I hope you will try for your little charm. Please let me know in the comment section once after stitching how it has come out. And also share this video to your friends and family members. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.